Okay, the next command that I could go over here is, let's say, for instance, we go ahead and type our list, okay, and we're going to pick list. There's a few lists on here, so you want to make sure you're picking the one with the XRP logo, which is the best logo. So we're going to go ahead and click on list. When we hit the list, it's going to show us everything we're subscribed to. It's going to give me a pretty big list here, but it's not as impressive as somebody else's. But nonetheless, this is a lot of stuff to be following, and we probably want to remove some of these. We can remove them individually. That'll probably take a long time to go through and do all this. But the easiest way to clear them out, and when you do this, I'll warn you ahead of time, these channels are going to get deleted, so you're going to have to subscribe to some more alerts and then enable your summary channel again. But we'll watch it live here because I got a lot of subscriptions here, so we're going to go ahead and do a clear subscriptions. Okay. We click on this. When we go ahead and hit this, it's going to remove everything from the system. It booted me out because I was in my private channel, and now we can see my channel's not there anymore, and I have no more subscriptions. So if I go ahead and type a list again, XRP logo, best logo, then we're going to go ahead and hit enter, and we're going to see I have no subscriptions. And it tells you, hey, you're going to want to do this kind of stuff to get some subscriptions. So let's go ahead and do some subscribe again. Let's just go ahead and do a combo, crypto, and then we're going to pick a lower time frame, and I want to see gold dot flashing for everything. And what will happen is my channel will then come back. Here it is. And then I'll have to enable my summary again. Okay, so now the summary, now my summary channel will pop up here. We can do a / summary status, and it will kind of just give us an idea that, yeah, it's enabled and it's right there, even though we know it's right there.